Hello people. How are you doing? Well, I'll tell you in advance that we're going to be testing the Xiegu G90 soon. The people at Muley made it easy for me. So we're going to be testing it. We already know that it's doing very well, but well, we're going to do some tests. We're going to activate a park with it to see what experience it leaves us. Power cable. Equipment. We are going to see here the extender, the cable to separate the front, USB cable, which later we are going to see the uses it has. The microphone, and in another little box I have the expansion board for digital modes.